You ready, girl? Come on. Come here. Come on.
All right.
Here we go. Ready, let go.
Yeah, watch the husky
Okay,
fight
girl,
it.
it's okay.
Husky's gonna fight it.
It's on my hook. Oh, I got him. Okay, girl. Here we go. It's okay. We'll take the leash off.
You can just do it with them on them. I mean, we're not trying to be perfect here. We're just trying to get her mostly clean.
Yeah, there you go. She's liking it.
Yeah, she's doing okay. Okay.
She's a good girl.
There we go. Okay, I gotta pause it. Doing good, doing good. I do not hear all the screaming and everything that I thought we were gonna hear. She's actually doing really good.
Yeah. You like it? Yeah. She said, Mommy, we need one of these at the house.
Yeah, fill it with ice.
It's okay, girl.
Yeah, fill it with ice and she could lay in it. Good girl, you're doing good.
I need more shampoo.
Ready?
All right.
All right, she's doing good. We're gonna save the rest of the video for the next one.
I'm trying to get the soap out of you, girl. Come on. Yes.
Come on, Django.
You don't want it.
Come on.
Come on.
Good boy.
Good
boy. Look at you.
Good boy. Hold on.
Good boy.
It's no bad. It's okay, buddy. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, there you go.
Good boy. Look at you. You're so good. Look at this Alva's face. You're so good. Look at you.
Good boy.
Yep.
It's okay, buddy.
Good baby.
Not all pretty.
Getting all nice and clean. Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, buddy. Okay, you're all done.